तो आज रात को हम निकल रहे हैं राइड के लिए सूरत टू भोर। ग्लव्स को मैंने प्रॉपर्ली क्लीन करके रेडी कर दिया है। बाइक तो मैंने दोपहर में ही क्लीन कर दिया था। और ये टैंक बैग एंड टॉप बॉक्स यहाँ पर रेडी है। पैकिंग करना बाकी है, तो लेट्स पैक ऑल ऑफ दिस टुगेदर। Cleaning the helmet, now cleaning the jacket, starting from my face towel and the bath towel. These are a pair of extra sport shoes. There are some extra polythenes to keep the clothes that were used, a cap, perfume, the chargers for both the phones, a battery bank, watch. These are the cables for GoPro and Bluetooth. Here's the Bluetooth and here's the GoPro. My glasses, the ones I bought today from OK Opticals. Then these are my jeans, clubs vest, clubs hoodie, the night suits. These are the t-shirts that I'm going to wear, some handkerchiefs, socks and undergarments. So everything's sorted. So the top box is ready. ये ready हो गया अपना tank bag. Fixing GoPro on the helmet. And now fixing the last thing on the helmet, that is Bluetooth. Stay tuned for the next reel in which I am going to show you the whole journey from Surat to Bhor.